Artificial intelligence is gonna F your life up. If you're a teacher, an artist, a US president,
I need me a big black bitch darker than Hershey chocolate.
it already has. And things are only gonna get worse. What's next? An AI that can satisfy your woman better than you ever could? Oh my god, no. No! As the use of machine learning continues to explode, it becomes more and more important to understand how it works. So to that end, I set myself a challenge. Make an AI that will not just learn my game, but beat my best scores in just 30 days. It's not gonna be super technical. We're focusing on the big picture here. And the first step's easy. We're gonna represent this network node with a differential equation, then take the partial derivative. Just kidding. Fuck learning theory. I can just take code from the internet. Machine learning. It's that easy. So now we have our library, but it needs to be able to talk to the game. Since they're written in two completely different languages, I'm using networking to send data between them. And now I can control the game from Python.
One eternity later.
It's been about 2 weeks, give or take, since I started working on this project, and I got a lot done. So this is default. This is what the game is built in. I wrote pretty much all of this code. All this code, yep. Keep going, yep, all that. And more. And that's all just to interface between default and the Python library. It's taking care of a lot of stuff behind the scenes, but I did have to write this file as well. A good bit of coding, a lot of troubleshooting. So this is what it looks like when we put it all together. There you go, those are the first 10 angle values of the arrows. After the first generation, it starts to choose different values, and already we got a target hit. The level will automatically reset every time an arrow hits something, or it goes all the way out of bounds. I'm also only testing one creature at a time. I am gonna scale this up. So let's do that. Oh, that's not right. Okay, it's still wrong. Oh, I know what the problem is. It's all the errors. Still wrong. Wrong in a different way. No, nothing works. Still wrong. Actually, it's working. Basically, the AI makes generations of creatures, aka neural networks, that choose where to aim based on the target's position. The closer the shot, the more that creature will influence the next generation. So 10 works fine. What if we tried 100? Let's see what went wrong. Queues up 100 arrow shots, hits the maximum number of collisions. Surely nothing will go wrong if I just crank those numbers up with reckless abandon. Yeah, I'll just add a 0. Still didn't work. This time the sprite buffer filled up. It's an easy fix. Add a 0. Sheesh. I actually coded it well. You can see the timers also slowing down. So these are still accurate results. Yeah, maybe 100 was a bit ambitious. Slap another 0 on. Oh, come on, we need more of those. Surely we need more of those. I don't even know what that does. Here we go. It's just another spot where I need to add another 0. It's working. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised. But you know what that means. You gotta keep going. Honestly, I thought doubling it was gonna take it out. Here we go. 7, 8, 15, 16, 17. Oh. It's going so slow. Why am I not just adding a 0? Oh, 4, 5, 22, 23, 51, 52, 80, I think, 81. Oh, yeah.
Mr. Owl, how many cats does it take to crash the game?
And why he's so sick, though?
Meanwhile,
I've been addicted to Minesweeper recently for no reason. Yeah, I'm just goated. Goated with the sauce. But what are we actually doing today? Let's just start by getting a benchmark of my best scores. In Ultra Bow Golf, the goal of each level is to hit the target in as few shots as possible. There's a minimum number of shots that each level can take, and then it just comes down to who can get it faster. Okay. Time was 1.5 seconds. Now let's take a look at the AI. Let's do 10 runs. 10 runs, 10 creatures. ibogolf.py, and it will start going. No, it'll error. Fuck. So of course when I go live, this shit doesn't work. Pretend that didn't happen. And it works first try. Oh my god, it's going so fast. Yeah, so there you go, it worked. It showed that the best genome got 1.1 seconds. There you go. AI already beat me on level 1. Level 2, is a 2-shot minimum level. I haven't coded multiple shots in yet. We'll come back to it. But levels 3, 4, 6, and 8 are all single shot levels. I think the angle I need is like here. Looks pretty good. Fuck. Oh my god, the time pressure makes it so much more difficult. Please. Yes. Okay, that was pretty much perfect. 8.48 seconds. Now let's see the AI do it. The algorithm I'm using is called NEAT. Basically, it's an evolutionary algorithm. The creatures that do the best make babies, then the babies do better, and then the babies fuck. I know that's weird, but over time, it gets really, really good at doing stuff, hopefully. Currently, though, it hasn't figured out how to get over the mountain. This one's great. It finally cleared the hill. Okay, well, whatever. Just hit the target on the first one to clear the hill. That's fine. It doesn't understand that there's like a thing here. All it's getting as an input is the closest the arrow has gotten to the target. 7.9 seconds. It's faster than what I did. Check out level 4 now. That was terrible. The pressure, dude. These fucking AIs don't feel any pressure. It's so unfair. Okay, that should be good. That should be good. Or not. 4.1 seconds? Yeah, we'll roll with that. I think that's about as fast as I can get it. I got one arrow close, and now you can see it shot several more. So the best individual got 3.7 seconds. Me again. Level 5 is another big one that we have to skip for now. Visualize, visualize. Visualize success. Yeah. Alright, so it took almost exactly 9 seconds. Let's see the AI beat that score. But it's figuring it out. Those were close. That looks good. Oh damn, that was dead center. That was a bullseye. 8.6 seconds. Generally the AI is like 0.4 to 0.5 faster than me. Level 7, that's a 2-shot. We'll come back to it. This is level 8, so this is a 1-shot level. The thing is, to get the fastest possible score, I can't use full power. I'm shooting as close to the thing as I can get. It's not going to get all the way down to this target. So the AI, if it's full power, it has to shoot like all the way up here, as opposed to a low power shot like this that would be way faster. Oh, close. The longer I try this, the worse I'm getting. This is a pretty precise angle. I guess that's the takeaway here. You have no time to think. Like, you just gotta like swipe your mouse real quick and take the shot. Oh, okay. All right, we'll take it. I took enough tries at it. That was pretty fast. 8.3 seconds. Kind of the problem with this neural network, though, is like it's generally just trying a bunch of random shit until it gets lucky. For some of these more complicated levels, that approach is going to take a lot of time. With forcing the AI to shoot at full power, that makes this angle a lot more precise. If it could modulate the power, that should give it a wider range for target hits. Oh my fucking god, you're kidding me. I got 4 that got really close. Nothing that hit the target. Fuck, I don't know, let's just run it again. You just have to kind of get lucky while we're waiting. Is the AI gonna hit the target first, or am I gonna beat Expert Minesweeper? Vote now. Oh my god, I hit the target. Yes! 1 target hit out of 1,000 creatures. But that's fine. We got it. We hit it. Took 11.1 seconds. It's the first one where the AI was not able to beat me because it doesn't know how to modulate power. But with just a few quick code changes,
Later.
we are seeing some power modulation. That is good. Back to the real game though. Have any of these gotten close? I haven't been watching at all. That's the whole point of artificial intelligence. I don't have to do anything. I let it do its thing and I do my thing, which for whatever reason is Minesweeper. Oh, we got 3 target hits. Hey, that's pretty good. The best score though was 7.1 seconds. That's way faster than what I did. Holy shit. I also want to redo some of these levels. Ones I think will benefit a lot from less power. Could be level 6 and then level 3. Okay, we got 1 over the hump. Not gonna hit the target though. Oh, it's not looking great. It's not looking like it learned from that 1 shot that went over. How are you making no progress? This is the results from 200 generations. It didn't even get close. This is a tougher level for the AI to figure out. If it hits anywhere on this mountain, it doesn't get any closer to the target, meaning the AI isn't learning which angles are closer. But rather than fixing the issue, I just ran it more and eventually shaved another 0.4 seconds off of the full power time. Let's try an easier level. Level 6. The time to beat is 8.6. This is the best genome. 93% power. 7.5 seconds. Damn, it shaved almost a full second off. I honestly wasn't expecting that much of an improvement. Now for the multi-shot levels. What the fuck? After some troubleshooting, of course. Holy shit, it's working. Let's go. It's been about a month since I started this project. The only levels that we still need to do in the first 9 are level 2, level 5, level 7, and level 9. All these are 2-shot levels. So let's see, if I'm going as fast as possible, I want like a shot like this, and then another shot. The way the game physics work is you're already moving at speed, shooting another arrow will make you go even faster. For the fastest possible shot, I want to do 2 shots pretty close to one another. Okay, that was pretty fast. 5.1, and off we go. Something to note also is that I made this way more efficient. I simplified the character model. We went from 16 dynamic objects with a bunch of joints per cat to just 1 solid object. Now it can support way more creatures. Before it was like, if I had like 50, it would lag, and you can see right now I'm comfortably running 200. That was pretty fast. 4.4 seconds. Let's do level 5. Too low. Or not. No, that was perfect. 8.26. Let's see the AI do it now. I like the little, it's like a little tidal wave. Oh my lord. This is extremely satisfying seeing so many arrows hit the target. It plateaued pretty fucking quickly. The average improved nicely though. 6.3 seconds. That's literally 2 seconds faster than my time. So this is level 7. That looks good. 4.9. Place your bets now. Is it gonna beat me for the 8th consecutive level in a row, or is something else gonna happen? The thing is, the bulk of these arrows are barely shooting over the top of this, so the creatures are bouncing, wasting precious time. So he bounces here, and then he waits a long while before shooting the second arrow. Let's run it again. This run did yield a faster time, but it still wasn't getting to the target as fast as it could have. 5 seconds. So I wasn't able to do it faster. I tried more runs off stream and got some faster results, but I wasn't able to replicate them due to the randomness of the ragdoll. So we'll leave this one chalked up as a win for humanity. Let's do the last level. The optimal strat, I think, is to shoot an arrow that sticks in here and then you like swing around. Okay, that's a little shallow, but 9.3 seconds. I can definitely do that faster. This actually might be perfect. Okay, don't choke, don't choke, don't choke, don't choke. Ah, yeah, I gotta wait for it to swing a little bit more. Barely cleared. Nice. Oh, that was perfect. That was perfect. 9.1 seconds. Godspeed. Godspeed. It's just taking too long to shoot. The setup is great. It's just not doing anything with it because it's fucking stupid. Dumb robot. And the best creature. Give it up. Woo! Okay. Kind of slow, but not bad. The average? I mean, it's clearly showing improvement. Our best creature was 8.8 seconds, so it did still beat me, even though there was plenty of time for it to improve. So let's recap. The AI beat me on every level except for the one where I couldn't verify its faster result. But it could shoot instantly and I can't. So to compare us better, I retimed all of my bests from the instant the shot starts. And as you can see, the AI still wins and humanity is still doomed. It did get closer though. There are a few ties now and my overall deficit went from 7.5 to only 3 seconds behind. Real results. Can't argue with it. It is better than me at my own game. If this algorithm was a person, it would be one of those like giant buff dudes whose like entire personality revolves around working out and boofing HGH. It would just get stuck and repeat the same actions over and over. Maybe I could have set it up better, but fundamentally, Neat improves through brute force, not intelligence. And I don't think it could beat the last 9 levels easily, if at all. I tried training it to hit random targets over thousands of generations, trying tons of different settings, and it still didn't really get close to figuring it out. At the end of the day, Neat is just one of the many machine learning algorithms out there. So like this video if you want to see me try something else in a part 2. Unfortunately, since I lost, I now have to give control of the channel over to AI Thomas. So that's it for me, but I learned a lot and had fun, and I hope you did too.
Hey you! Are you dead to the world, stumbling from one crumb of satisfaction to the next, looking for your next fix? Well, don't play Minesweeper. Don't do it. Do not. Not even once. It will utterly ruin you. Instead, try this game. Now available on mobile. Tons of brand new features like marginally improved graphics, improved controls, a windscreen that isn't broken, actual level progression, 8% better title, and maybe more in the future. Nobody knows. Download it now, before your mobile device becomes fully sentient. Just kidding. Or am I?
Why are there no villagers here?
You probably deported them.